Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your earbuds JBL Grip available on your iPhone? And I already installed and set up the application what JBL offer for the speaker. It calls JBL Portable. So let's open the application. Right here we can check the list with supported devices. So firstly, trying to add the speaker. If it cannot, it will show the button that I cannot find product. You need to click on this button if you want to check it also. Our model is Grip, so firstly we need to click on the Grip series, and right here I already see this series. So click on it, and here's our speaker. So my short answer is yes, the application available for the speaker. Now, if you don't know how to install and set up this application, or how to add this speaker to the app, you can check videos at this channel. And thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!